Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ursico Stylus Pen for iPads launched between 2018 and now. Could this cheap pencil be better than the Apple Pencil 2? Let's find out. I bought this stylus on Amazon UK and it cost me £33.99. The packaging looks similar to the Apple Pencil 2, where you have the white box and the product photo on the box. At the back, it gives you the compatibility list, and according to this, the iPad Air 4 is not on the list. Let's slide out the box and let's see what we have inside. So first, we have the instructions guide on how to use a pen. We have the pencil itself wrapped in a white plastic bag. Let's see what we have underneath the packaging, and we have a USB lead. Okay, this is a very different adapter for the USB. Never seen one like this. We also have an extra tip for the pencil. Just wondering if they do replacements for these, or do I need to buy a new pencil once it's worn out? Okay, let's open up the pencil now, and it seems very similar to the Apple Pencil 2. We have the logo Ursico and the power button next to it. It feels like an expensive pencil, weighing at only 14 grams. The charging plug goes at the back tip of the pencil, and then using a USB you can charge it. Now let's try it on an iPad and let's see if this is any good as the Apple Pencil 2. So I powered it on and the light turned blue on the pencil. Let's see if I need to pair it or the iPad will recognize it right away. Okay, good news. The iPad Air 4 has recognized it right away. So using the pencil, I can swipe left or right very smoothly. Let's try it on a drawing app. Okay, very nice and smooth. It recognizes every touch and never misses a touch. Not sure if this pencil works on pressure sensitivity as well like the Apple Pencil 2, but we'll need to test it out further. So this pencil has a feature called palm rejection, where it lets you rest your palm while writing. It has a built-in rechargeable battery where it can be charged in 2 hours, and it can be used continuously for 15 to 18 hours. And it has a 1-year standby time. If you don't use it within the 2 hours, it will automatically switch off. It sticks to the iPad just like a normal Apple Pencil would. So overall, this is a nice alternative to the Apple Pencil 2. It's 3 times less than the price of a genuine pencil from Apple. After testing all the features, I don't think this has pressure sensitivity, so I doubt this would be great for those artists who want to sketch or paint on the iPad. Another negative part of the pencil is that you need a special USB to charge it. A USB-C or a micro USB port is not available, which is quite widely available in the houses. Unlike the Apple Pencil 2, it charges while it connects to your iPad, which is quite hassle-free. This is great for anyone who just wants a stylus for the iPad. And finally, I think if you're on a budget, then I believe this pencil is for you. And there you go guys, that is the unboxing and the review of the Ursico Stylus Pen, which is a great alternative to the Apple Pencil 2. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.